Hello, Rain family. It is awesome to be back with another back office tutorial on how to run your business and your back office more effectively. Today, we are going to talk about how to share a buy link and how to enroll a new partner. So stay tuned. These are really important things to know. The first thing that we're going to go over is how to share a buy link. Right now, you are looking at a back office. This is a test account, but the back office will look the same for you. And we are going to go to this left side to the bottom to marketing. When we go to marketing, we are going to go up to this share products. Click on that, and it's going to ask for a purchase type. For this case, we're going to do enrollments. Now we are going to select the country. For today's purpose, we are going to do the United States, but it is the same process with all other countries. Make sure that if you're signing somebody up in the Philippines, that you click on the Philippines and send them the link to that. But again, for today's purpose, the United States. As you can see, it is now pulling up the packs in which there are. You can copy the link by clicking these, or you can copy and paste what's already given, and this will take them straight to your website for the product. So for today's purpose, we are going to do the leadership pack. Now, when you copy this link, you can send this to them. This is what your candidate is going to see, is this. They're going to click Start Today, and just like that, the leadership pack shows. You're going to click Select and Continue, and it's going to bring them to the subscription. Now, subscription is very, very important, as subscription is crucial for not only somebody to get these great products and healthy products, but also to remain and get volume. So make sure that they are aware to set up a subscription. For today's purpose, we are going to do Beat. Now, looking at this, it will bring us here. It asks for your personal info, which is very straightforward. Next is the email. Make sure that the email in which is used is one that is looked at often. That is very important, just because there's promotions, there's details and stuff for people to see to make sure that they can run their business in the most effective way. And the mobile phone number. One of the crucial things that I notice is a lot of people really enjoy getting text updates. So if you would like that, which I highly recommend, I would click on that box. If you need to ship to a different address, that is possible by clicking on that box, and it will pull up the address in which you would like the products to be shipped to. Next is the shipping method. If you live in the close Utah area to our headquarters, you are more than welcome to do Utah office pickup. I would think most of you are needing shipping, and so there is that option. Now, this is a very important part, is creating your website. Having a website is very important in this business, because like what I'm doing now with the website, you can send referral links, and that is how your business is. This is your own website as a business. So you are going to name your website whatever you would like. So for today's example, I'm going to show you two. So the first one I'm going to do is Johnson. That's very common. When you click that, it will say it's not available. So just come up with a different name. Today we're going to do Johnson 123. And that one's taken too. So today we're going to use Seed Johnson 3. And that one is available. You are now going to type in your password. You can type in your password, and let's say you want to make a different password. You definitely can in your back office at any point. You can personally change it. Next is the tax ID. A lot of people wonder what this is. It's in the United States, your social security number or the tax ID. If you are applying as a LLC, you can put in your tax ID there, which is crucial and mandatory. Next is your birth date. I would highly recommend that you fill this out, because every year on your birthday, you will get a phone call from Rain International offering you a birthday gift of a very good discount on all products. So I would fill out your birth date. I would make sure you put an honest birthday so that you can really take advantage of these great promos. Next is the credit card information, which is very self-explanatory. You will click I agree and pay. From there, they are now enrolled as a distributor. Here's a couple of troubleshooting things. If the purchase will not be verified, number one, have them check their credit card where it was processed. Sometimes the credit card companies can flag them. So check your phone. If you get a text, approve the purchase, or you might have to call them and get in contact and approve the purchase from there. So I hope this is helpful. How to enroll people. This is a very simple process, but it's one that is very important. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.